I actually sleep with 5 women per week just from being in IML. Hey, what's good, bag chasers? It's your boy Villain in the building. And today I'm going to be talking about my IML experience. Now, if you're watching this video, I'm going to just assume that either one, you're thinking about joining IML and you're unsure, like I was like a year ago, or two, you just want to hear about my trading story and you came from my Instagram. Now, this video was not expected. Like, I did not expect to make this video so quickly, but I did a poll and people on my Instagram wanted it. So shout out to y'all. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, my Instagram will be in the link below. Is VillainFX. I spelled villain wrong on purpose. I just want to clarify that for anybody points that out. I already know. But yeah, so I'm gonna start off just telling y'all IML is the best thing that's ever happened to me. They didn't ask me to recruit anybody. They didn't ask me for any fees. They didn't tell me I could turn my phone into an ATM, and they focus solely on trading. They are very good, profitable traders. They do not show people demo accounts and pretend like it's real profits. They don't do that, bro. IML is the best thing. It gives Forex the best rep. Like, whenever I tell people I do Forex and I try and I happen to just try to recruit them, they love it, bro. Like, it's not annoying. They don't not like being around me. It makes them want to be around me more. I actually sleep with 5 women per week just from being in IML.
Stop the cap.
All right, let me stop. All right, let's get serious. All right, y'all. So I'm going to give my opinion on IML throughout the video. So just watch the video because I'm going to give you guys a story time about my first experience with an IML student and how that introduced me to Forex and how I started trading and my opinion on the IMLs and everything of that sort. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video. You know what I'm saying? Rose to 100 subscribers. Let's get into it. So a year ago, I knew nothing about Forex. I had no idea what Forex was. I just knew I wanted to invest in stock market and the real estate. I wanted to be an entrepreneur. And just like a lot of you, I hated the idea of a 9 to 5 job. I hated it. I still hate it. Even though I'm at one now, I still don't like it. And I'm working, you know what I'm saying, to be an entrepreneur. So I started reading books and things like that, and this all pertains to the story, trust me. I read Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. I recommend that book. It's a great book. It'll really give you the foundation to becoming an entrepreneur and how you should change the way you think, because if you think like everybody else, you end up like everybody else. But that's self-explanatory. So I have a few baddies or whatever, a few shorties on Instagram and Snapchat, and I posted me reading the book or whatever, you know what I'm saying, because some of them, they be reading, posting books. So, you know, I thought I'd do the same, you know what I'm saying, pique their interest, right? So I post the book and I'm like, man, this is a really good book, yada, yada, yada. And I was serious. It's a good book. So this one guy that I went to high school with, he was in my senior math class. He swipes up. Now, mind you, I've been knowing of this guy for like 3 or 4 years, but we've never really spoken or had a full conversation. Maybe like a what's up, bro, but that's it. So he swipes up on my Snap story. He's like, oh, so you trying to invest? And I'm telling him how I want to do like real estate and stock market, but I just don't have enough money because I didn't know about penny stocks back then. I just thought, you know, like the main stocks. You get what I'm saying? Like, I didn't know a lot. I was trying to learn. So I'm telling him all this and he's like, have you ever heard of Forex? And I'm like, no, what's that? And he's like, yo, it's foreign exchange. You trade currencies, blah, 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 blah. Cool, cool, cool. So I'm like, oh, okay, lit. So you do that? He's like, yeah, I do that. I'll make all this money. I turn my phone to an ATM and the notorious line and all this extra stuff, right? So I'm just sitting here like, okay, bro, cool. So I'm one of the people, I'm always open to making money. So like, if you put me onto something and you're telling me I can make thousands of dollars in a week or in a day or whatever in a month, I'm in, bro. I'm in there like swimwear. So he's like, yeah, I'll call you on FaceTime. I'll get you set up with the way I do things. I'm like, okay, cool. So we stopped Snapchat texting each other, and I become skeptical because I'm one of those people where if someone goes out of their way to help me, I automatically, it's toxic of me to be like this, but I'm just like this. I feel like there's a hidden agenda, which there was. So basically I start looking up Forex and I'm trying to educate myself so he doesn't tell me anything or fool me. And I'm learning from Jeremy Cash a little bit, Swaggy C or the Swag Academy, Mamba FX. Those were like the three main guys I knew when I first started, right? And those are still three kind of my main, you know what I'm saying, guys I kind of look up to. So I'm looking at them or whatever, and I start learning about like different indicators and strategies. And I'm asking him all these indicators, like shark out of the water, alligator. I'm asking him all of these strategies, and he's like, no, I don't trade any of those. We can FaceTime tonight. I'll tell you more. I'm like, okay, cool, boom, whatever. Because in the back of my head, I'm like, yo, like maybe this guy's legit because I need the money to buy these OnlyFans, bro. Somebody got to buy these OnlyFans, and it's going to be me. So I'm scrolling through OnlyFans trying to find which one I want to buy first the rest of that day. Then he finally calls me at night and he's like, yo, bro, let's talk about it, whatever. I'm like, okay, cool. So, bro, this, I almost called him something that would have got me in trouble on YouTube. This dude starts reading off a script. Now, the reason I could tell he was reading off a script is, let's say he talks like this normally. Let's say he's like, hey, what's good, bro? How you doing today? Whatever, you know what I'm saying? Blah, like, you know what I'm saying? Like a regular black dude, whatever, cool, right? So he starts talking like this. You can copy and paste trades and make thousands of dollars, recruit people and get your fee waived or pay $100 a month. I'm like, what the heck? Like, bro, sounds like mad robotic. It's like I thought I was at a Travis Scott concert or something, right? So dude is reading all this to me and I'm just like, okay, bro, this dude's a phony. Like, because I've seen his snap story, and he would be going to some type of website, I guess the IML website and or whatever recruiting website, and withdrawing like $300 to his account and all this. But yet he's telling me I can make thousands. So I'm just sitting here like, okay, you're making 300 a week maybe, and I'm making that, and you're telling me I can make thousands. Why aren't you making thousands? If you were making thousands, why do you need me to sign up so badly? Like, why do you keep, you know what I'm saying, pressuring me to sign up? So he sends me the link, and I just start lying to him because at this point I know something's up, right? So he sends me a iMarkets Live link, and so I go check it out or whatever, and it got like the payment and the different packages because it comes with super expensive packages, then it comes with the normal package or whatever. And I just start lying to him because he wasted my time. I'm gonna waste your time. I'm like, yeah, bro, I'll call you back. I'll sign up. He's like, no, we can stay on the phone. I'm like, nah, because I got to get my credit card info or whatever. I'll call you back. He's like, okay, cool. So I get off the phone with him, and I know I'm not going to call him back. He's blowing up my phone, whatever, cool. So I start searching up like IML videos, and I found Mambas and Swags and Jeremy's, and I'm watching it, and everybody's talking trash about IML and how it's ruining Forex or whatever, like the reputation. So I'm just like, okay, so this is obviously a scam, or this is obviously something I really don't need to trade. So basically, I blow I basically ignore the dude for a little bit, right? I ignore him for a little bit, and I start learning how to trade and like do things on my own because the way he made it had me thinking I couldn't trade unless I was an IML, and that's what a lot of people think, right? So basically, my opinion on IML is, and we're gonna get back to the story. My opinion on IML is, I personally would not get an IML or recommend it because I'm not a type of person where I want to recruit people. I don't like harassing people. And my thing is, when you harass people and constantly try to recruit them, it makes them not want to be around you, because the feeling that guy made me feel from just constantly harassing me, I was like, bro, this is annoying. Like, this made me not even want to trade. Like, bro, just leave me alone. And it just gives Forex a bad name because a lot of people think, oh, all Forex traders try to recruit and stuff like that. Like, I don't even tell people I trade Forex because they look at me with this stink face, bro. Like, you know, when you listening to a hard song and you hear that fire beat drop, and you like that stink face beat. That's how they look at me. And I just tell people I invest. I don't even tell people I trade Forex. I just don't, because they just be like, oh, you want to recruit me? Don't, like, no, bro, I don't need to recruit you, because my thing is, if these traders were living these lifestyles that they say they were living, they wouldn't be recruiting, because they would be making that money off trading like they say they are. Like, why would you need to recruit? Like, what do you gain from recruiting? Because what he made in a week, you saw in my other video, I made that in a day, in like an hour, just off trading. So if you knew how to trade that well, you wouldn't be recruiting. You get what I'm saying? And if you want to join, go for it. Like, in my personal opinion, 80% of people in IML don't know how to trade. Now, IML students, before you rip your keyboard in half trying to type a hate comment and rip your mouse in half trying to dislike the video, hear me out. I said 80%. Now, there are some people in IML that know how to trade. I will admit it. But majority of them, they'll show you a demo account, and if you ask them for a live account, like I asked that guy, they'll say they can't show you, or they'll show you somebody else's, their homeboys or their mentor, which those mentor and those chairmen, they're liars. They take the recruiting money, they rent out Airbnbs and Lambos and all this stuff, and they do these ads to make you think they're living a wealthy life off Forex, which in reality they live a wealthy life off trading, because the more you, not trading but recruiting, the more you recruit, the higher you move up and etc., and the more money you get. So basically, bro, like, in my opinion, IML, I personally wouldn't do it. I would just take my time, find a strategy I like, focus on it, back test it on TradingView, get into the demo on MetaTrader or whatever, and then I trade live once I get it and I get rid of my emotions and I find some consistency. That's what I did. I make, you know what I'm saying, I make good money. I take some L's here and there. Everybody does, but I mean, I'm pretty solid. You know what I'm saying? As a trader, I'm a new trader just like a lot of you. So I feel like you guys can relate to me because I'm new to this just like y'all are. You know what I'm saying? So that's just my opinion on IML. I'm an introvert. I don't like harassing people. I don't like recruiting people. I want to get on the markets, make my money, and get off. But if you want to join IML, man, go for it. Hopefully you recruit enough people and you keep your friends and family, you know what I'm saying, they keep you in their good graces and they don't stop talking to you because you're annoying. But yeah, bro, and if y'all do join IML, y'all start recruiting, please don't lie to people and tell people like, you make all this money and show them a demo, because that's not really money made. Like, IML students, they will argue to hell and back with you saying, oh, but I made it on the demo. Bro, you can't withdraw it. You literally just said I could turn my phone into an ATM, but you can withdraw money at an ATM. You can't withdraw money from a demo account. So which one is it? You know what I'm saying? And my thing is, think about it, y'all. If you could make $1,000 in a week or whatever using their copy and paste trades, why don't they just do it themselves and quit recruiting? Why are they fiending so hard to recruit? Because if I'm making $1,000 a week or whatever trading, I'm not gonna worry about recruiting people. That's not gonna phase me. Like, that's not gonna bother me. You get what I'm saying? A little $300-$400 they get from recruiting, that's not gonna phase me. But yeah, that's just my outlook on it, man. If you're going to join, be honest, be straight up with people. Tell people this stuff takes time. Being a good trader, profitable trader, it takes time. It takes discipline. It takes consistency. It takes a lot, bro. Like it's not easy. Like, even with me being a simple trader and I have super simple strategies that I'm going to be teaching, like, it still takes a long time to back test it and become consistent and get rid of your emotions. That's not something, and get discipline. That don't come overnight, bro. That comes over, months, weeks, you know what I'm saying, minimum weeks. But yeah, man, that's just my opinion on IML. That's my story, how I got the trading. I started off with a $50 account. I had Traders Way. I'll put my broker below because I use KOT now, and Traders Way, they don't accept people from America right now because I think they're trying to become regulated, so they got some stuff going on with that. But yeah, bro, I was just on a journey to get some OnlyFans, and you know what I'm saying, I found Forex through an IML student, who was a bozo, because a couple months later he hit me up and he's like, yo, bro, how much money you make trading? Because I told him I was gonna trade on my own. And I was like, bro, that's kind of personal or whatever. And I'm just like, bro, you wouldn't even show me your demo account. I mean, your live account. So why are you asking me? Like, and I don't have beef with the dude, but it's just, I found out that he mentors kids that are like underage. Like, my brother, he's 15, and one of my brother's friends, he mentored one of my brother's friends, and my brother's friend went broke, and now he's like, he sees my brother trading and he's like, dang, I wish I could trade, I just don't have the funds. If you're trying to recruit people, you think you should have the funds to trade? Like, it's just, I don't know, man. IML students, I know y'all gonna dislike the video. I really don't care, bro. I just told the truth on my opinion. I said my opinion. So if you don't like my opinion, then get off the video. But for those of you who made it to this point, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Link will be below. My broker will be below. Let me know if you guys want videos of me showing you guys smaller, growing small account strategies, because I think that may be the next video. It might not be. We'll see. But yeah, man, that's my input on IML. Hope you enjoyed. It's been your boy Villain, and I'm out, man. Peace.